All right, here we go. Happy Friday, people. Sorry I'm not there again. Um, don't forget to, hit that like button, hit subscribe, okay? Um, Obviously, I'm not there. Not going to be able to talk about the weekends, okay? Maybe on Monday, obviously on Monday. Again, your homework assignment will be due on Monday, okay? If you're not here on Wednesday or Tuesday, excuse me. That's the sub for one of these, the Unit 5 Day 1. It's sitting right here on the corner of my desk. Those notes are very important for today's lesson, all right? Hopefully by now you should have one of those blue sheets. We're going to look at the blue sheet first, and then you will work on this sheet in class with the partner, okay? We're looking at this blue sheet here, okay? Um, you may need two different colored writing utensils, okay? It could be helpful, all right? Like a pen or a pencil or highlighters or something like that, okay? That could help out a lot, all right? Yeah, we're going to review our angles. So, first of all, when I'm doing this video, all right, it's very hard to write in this small amount of space, all right? So what I chose to do was just print off the sheet from last year. So what I want you to do, okay, is after each time, I may go kind of fast, so pause it. I'm going to explain it, pause it, write the stuff down, and then keep going. All right, our first angle that we're going to look at is a central angle. Here, the vertex of the angle is at the center of the circle. All right, what I want you to do, here's one color. Use red to label your angles. Use the blue to label this arc, or a different color label the arc, and call that arc A. When I have a central angle, remember that the angle equals the arc. X equals A. Next, hopefully you paused it. Pause it. If you haven't paused it, pause it now, and then press play. Next type of angle, where the vertex is on the circle. All right, there's three cases with the vertex on the circle. My favorite one, it's on the circle, right? The first case is called an inscribed angle. All right, here's your angle X, there's your arc A. Your vertex is here on the circle. All right, the next type of angle is a tangent chord angle. It's formed by a tangent and a chord. Here's your angle, vertex on the circle. Here's the arc that it forms. For those two angles, the angle is equal to the arc divided by 2. All right, all of these angles are named by their segments. This is a tangent chord. This is inscribed because it's inside the angle. Excuse me, because it's fully inscribed in our circle. This is a tangent chord and not an inscribed angle because the tangent line is on the outside of the circle. All right. Next instance, when the vertex is kind of floating inside the circle. When it's floating inside the circle, all right, whoops, you do A plus B divided by 2 to get X. A plus B divided by 2 for X. That is a chord-chord angle. Remember, chords can go through the diameter as well. The next three scenarios are for when the vertex is outside of the circle. The first one is a secant. Remember, secant, see through the circle. I do the far arc. For all three of these, I'm going to do my far arc minus my close arc divided by 2 to get X. My second instance is, or my second scenario is a secant tangent angle. Again, far minus close to get X. And lastly, tangent angle. And this is a special case. This is called the snow cone, or the ice cream cone. We'll talk about the ice cream cone later. I won't bring in ice cream cones, unfortunately. All right, again, this is A minus B divided by 2 to get X. All right, or 2 times by angle equals A minus B. Same thing, okay? That's it for this sheet. Okay, hopefully you pause it. If you did not get something, go back and rewatch it, all right? Yeah, if you have questions, shoot me an email. You're to work on this sheet, front and back next. The sub has the answer key if you want to check your answers. My answers are not posted on my website, but this you should turn in before the end of the period. Okay, this is your homework for the weekend. Answer key is already posted online. I hope you all have a good weekend. I will see you on Monday. Hit that like button, hit subscribe. Deuces.